Hey folks, hey superstars, hey, this is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Clickbank as an affiliate marketer overnight, okay? How to make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing overnight. Listen, I did say overnight. This is something that I did years ago when I was absolutely making no money. It's for free, you don't have to spend a dime. As a matter of fact, I will show you proof right here. Here are the checks here. You can see $3,000 a week, $4,000, $3,000. And listen, I make this money continuously with many different companies using strategies like this. Now listen, many of you are not making money like this because a couple of reasons. You give up too quickly. You quit, you get frustrated. You have to really be patient when you're trying to make money online, okay? If you watch a video like this, I promise you, if you follow every word, every instruction that I give you, you will absolutely undeniably make money tonight, overnight, with no problem. And then one day you're gonna have a view like this from your bedroom, right? You're gonna have your feet doing this as well. And this is what I want for you, okay? And listen, it's super easy to do, but you have to like rid that negative thought, those negative thoughts. You gotta eliminate that stuff. And you gotta get very laser focused. Listen to the video that I'm about to show you. This is a step-by-step tutorial. I'm gonna go very slow and you will undoubtedly see money like this in your bank account. The first site you need to go to is Clickbank, period. Clickbank right now is probably the #1 affiliate marketplace on the planet. It is. Digital Store is #2. But look, Clickbank is a marketplace I've made millions and millions of dollars with. So I do recommend beginners and newbies to go here, our digital store, if you're brand new, if you are just like a brand new person to the internet. So all you need to do is hit the sign up button, smash the like button if you already have a Clickbank account ID, but you just have $0 in your bank account. I'm going to show you tonight. You will have money if you pay attention, take a deep breath, just relax. Wherever you are, in your bed, in your home, you're at work, just relax and just listen to every word that you're going to hear in this video here, okay? And by the way, sub to the channel, smash the like button, and tell me below, let's go. And check it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in, okay? I'm going to log in real quickly here. As you can see, I have many accounts because I do this over and over again, obviously, because if one thing works, I'm going to continue to do those things because, I mean, it's on autopilot. That's the great thing about it, okay? So I'm going to log in here. That's first step. Then you want to go up here where it says marketplace, okay? Now understand, Clickbank is nothing but an affiliate marketplace, okay? You either create products or promote them, period, okay? You either create products or you just promote product. This is what I do. I am a creator, and under this video below, I'll leave a link if you want me to teach you on how to create a product on Clickbank and make $10,000 minimum in the first 45 days. I'll leave a link below, okay? But listen, what you want to do is hit this magnifying glass here, okay? Because what you want to know as a new affiliate marketer who is not making money is, well, what's working? You don't want to promote a product that doesn't work. How do you know if something is working, Wes? Well, look at the gravity, okay? See, gravity, what that shows you and tells you is that 473 people are now not only promoting this product, they're making money. But what I'm going to do for this video, I'm going to give you the exact product that I'm promoting. And, you know, I have a team doing this for me that's making me a ton of money here, okay? So listen, it's all about the gravity. So never promote a product that has a gravity under 40. It's just going to waste your time and waste your time and money. But in this video specifically, you don't have to spend a dime, okay? So we're going to scroll down here, and Diabetes Freedom, Wesley is going to show you and give you the key and the sauce on how Diabetes Freedom is bringing in $3,000 to $4,000 per week here. As you can see, and it's autopilot money. I'm not spending any money doing this. I'm just in my bedroom, relaxing, doing nothing, waiting on my DoorDash, right? As I make money online here. So listen, this is what you want to promote. So make sure you screenshot this, pause it, and click on the button that says promote now. You're going to see a page like this, okay? Click on generate hop links, okay? This hop link is very important because this is how you get paid. People ask me all the time in the comment section below, Wesley, how do I get paid? That link right here, okay? Copy that, right? And just save that, because we're going to need that link in the future here when I show exactly what you need to do here, okay? But the great thing about these products on Clickbank, not only do they have high gravity here, that's 252, they give you the tools to promote the product. Do you love me yet? I mean, they basically give you everything that you need to be successful. They give you emails. They give you keywords. Are you kidding me right now? Right? They give you everything that you need to be successful. So there's no reason why you can't make money overnight. You just need a blueprint and a strategy, and that's what I'm showing you right here, okay? Now, pay attention. This is where it may get a little tricky, but just stay with me, okay? Young lady, young man, stay with me here, okay? So, check it out. What you want to do next is you want to scroll over to Facebook, okay? Go to Facebook. You see that? How many of you have a Facebook account? Smash the like button. I can see you and I can hear you. Smash the like button if you have a Facebook account. Get one. It's free. And this is what we're going to do. I'm going to type in diabetes here, okay? But diabetes recipes, not just diabetes. And no, you're not going to be posting your freaking link in Facebook. You're going to get banned that way, right? That's obvious. You can't do that. Back in the day, you could. But now, listen, the internet game is always changing. So you have to always make sure that you're watching my videos, because I am very up to date on the new strategies on how to make money online. That's why people like me. That's why they love me. And that's why they just love Wesley Virgin, just like you. You love me. I know, whatever. Okay, whatever. So what you want to do here is basically join all these groups here. I'm in this group, all diabetic recipes. Reversing Diabetes Top 2 Recipe Group. Join that group. Like, join all these groups here. Does it make sense? Like, join every single group as it relates to diabetes recipes, okay? Recipes, all right? 75,000 people are in this group. And no, we're not going to post our link. I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind. Just imagine just like 100 people out of 75,000 people in this group right now engaging on your content that I'm going to show you what you're going to do and making money. Look, let me show you something here. As you can see here, they pay $49 per sale. So if you do 100 right now in your bedroom, that's $4,000. If you make 4 sales a day, that's $200 a day. That's $6,000 a month. What would you do with $6,000 a month? Smash the like button and tell me right now, okay? You can do this. Comment below, I can do this. Believe in yourself, right? It is very simple to do this, but you must pay attention here, okay? So look, I'm going to go back here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to google.com. So all I want you to do is go to google.com, okay? And type in the best diabetic, it could be diabetes, sweet recipes, or best easy diabetic dessert recipes, okay? Are you guys with me here? And as you see here, Google has everything. Look at that. 27 diabetes desserts you must try. So let me click there, okay? Because look, I want everybody to understand this. When you're marketing online, you can't just tell people to buy your stuff, okay? Just like men, you can't just go to a beautiful girl and say, hey, I want to spread your legs open and insert my penis inside. That you can't do that, okay? You got to take her on a date. You got to tell her she's beautiful. You got to do all that stuff. So that's what you got to do with internet marketing here. So as you can see here, what we want to do is give value, okay? Give value. Comment the word value. You have to give people value first before they engage in your content here. So listen, this is value here because this is over 27 diabetes dessert recipes you must try. So what we're going to do is copy this information, and now we're going to go to Google Docs here. And as you can see here, I've already created a Google Doc, okay? And as a matter of fact, maybe I will leave this link below for you so you don't have to create it for yourself, okay? But smash the like button because, I'm doing it for you for free. So what I did is I basically copied the picture. Okay. I copied the picture from this website here, right? See that? And I just copied the words, okay, and the recipes right here. So all you need to do, open up a Google Doc. My doc is called 10 Delicious Must Try Sugar, or I can say sugary, okay, desserts for diabetes. Make sense? What we're going to do is we're going to give people this freaking PDF. Let me show you now. Listen, like I said before, don't move too fast. So you need to go back to your hop link here because you need to embed your affiliate link in the document. You see how people like us making so much money here, right? Because we're giving people value first. So, for instance, low sugar chocolate chip cookie dough. So I'm going to link that with my affiliate link because when they click on it, you want them to go to the via sale. Does that make sense? I know you love me. I get it. I know you love. I love you too. You're going to make money overnight. And you want to link all these different desserts. Now, listen, you can do this two ways. You can either, you can either leave the recipe under the words or just link the rest, or just link your affiliate link on the actual dessert itself. Okay? So all these words, you need to link that. See that right here? I'm going to break the link. I'm going to go back up here. Okay? Smash the like button if you're getting this. Like, really tap the like button right now if you're getting this. Just want to make sure that's one going very slow so you get this. You want to link your affiliate link with all these different desserts here because, see, this doc here is what you're going to give to people for free. They're going to read it. They're going to click on it. And guess what? They're going to go to the offer, which means that you're going to make money now. Okay, now listen, we're not done yet, so stay with me here. I know you're impatient. I know you have chills all around your body because you're getting ready to leave your job because even $5,000 a month, most of you would say, amen, Wes, I need that so I can leave my stupid blood-sucking job here. Listen, go back to Marketplace and go back to the affiliate site for Diabetes Freedom here. Okay, this is just one product. There's many products you can do this with, right? And you're going to click on email swipes here, okay? And click here to get immediate access. Listen, this is how I make money over and over again passively. See, if you set this up right, you will make passive income every single day if you do it correctly here. So listen, you want to take one of these swipes. The swipe, the email that I suggest is this one. Okay? You want to copy that. And as you can see here, I've already done that. See, I've already copied that. I made that bigger. I made it blue. Because after they see the recipe, say if they don't click those links here. So if they scroll down and they see 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack, people would inevitably read this. They'll say, okay, well, what is this all about? They read this, and they're going to click. And when they click, it's going to go to your to the offer that you're promoting. Now you'll have hundreds, if not thousands of people that's going to download this book. And look, then you go up here, go to File. And yes, this video is sponsored by Wesley Virgin, where I teach people on how to create online products in 45 days. I will leave a link under this video in the description below. Much love. Listen, back to the video here. You click on download. I like to do a PDF document here, okay? This is Google Docs, by the way. It's for free. And boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bam, bam, bing, right? Look at that. I got cookies. I got a PDF that I just created that has my affiliate link. So listen, best easy desserts for diabetes. When they click on it, boom, look what happens. Bam, it goes to the offer. So you'll have hundreds, if not thousands of people that's going to take that because it's free. And you got to imagine your doc is going to be everywhere. Now, listen, what you want to do is you want to go back to Facebook and you want to click on here, okay? Got it. Look, it's a few ways to do this. You can say, hey, my name is Chris. I have a friend that have diabetes. We're praying for his recovery. But I'm a baker. I bake some desserts for him. And these are my 10 sugary recipes just for diabetic people. And all you do is this, folks. Look, all you do is this, folks. You want to scroll back, right, to the PDF here. You want to make sure you click the word share because you want to share that Google link. You want to make sure you change this so anyone can open this link, right? Copy the link, go back to Facebook, and you can paste it here. Say, look at that. So that's your PDF. But you're going to say, hey, my name is John. My name is Pookie. My name is Big Head. You know, I'm new to the group, but I'm a baker. And I help my friend Chris. He has diabetes. So I just want to show some love. These are 10 recipes, 20 recipes, 5. It doesn't matter, right? That you can use today. You know, if you want something sugary added to your diabetic diet here. Here's a recipe. Much love. Done. Then you just post the link. And they're going to click on it. And they're going to read it. They're going to be so happy to see your recipes. And then they're going to engage in your content. Many people, listen, everybody wants free stuff. Or you can say, my 10 free. Look, smash the like button if you guys are getting this. This is so simple to do. My 10 free diabetic dessert recipes. I mean, this is how the big dogs do it, okay? Look at that. You know, you can come up with whatever type of combination of the caption that you want to do, okay? That's it. But the key is you want to give people stuff for free. What I like to do is I like to put a story around it. Say, hey, my name is Pookie, Big Head Ray Ray. And I got a friend, her name is LaShonda. She just got diagnosed with diabetes. I'm a chef, I'm a baker. And I baked these specifically for her. She loved them so much, I decided to share with the communities here. I hope you guys like them. See what I just did there? Smash the like button if you love that. I mean, that works. And you just post it, okay? Or if you don't want to leave the link, then all you have to do is this. Look. Where's my thing? You can actually add a file as well. And you do this to all the groups. Listen, imagine if 1,000 people open it and 100 people bought. That's $4,000 per day. Can I get a like? Can you smash the like button right now? That's all you have to do as a brand new Clickbank affiliate marketer here. It's using content that already exists on the internet, make a PDF, post it into the groups, make sure that you embed your affiliate links using free tools online. Listen, sub to the channel. If I gave you massive value, which I know I did, smash the like button. If you want this view one day, I'm not saying that you want the view, but if you did, smash the like button. Do this right now. Don't wait till tomorrow. And listen, if you are confused, watch it again. Keep watching the video until you get it. And then one day, very soon, you will see paychecks just like this in your bank account. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Down below in the description, if you want me to teach you how to make $10,000 per month just by creating simple digital products, I would love to help you. Much love. Don't stop. Don't quit. Don't give up. Let's go.